Squirtles of Swift, this is Prof G, or is it Professor Oak? Because in our next app, we're going to build a very basic Pokédex. We're going to access information in PokeAPI.co over the internet by making an API call. We'll get back data in the JSON format. We'll parse that JSON and put it in our own custom data structures, and we'll populate a SwiftUI list. We'll learn to get our first page of JSON, and we'll learn to get more pages as we scroll. Click a creature, and you'll see some detailed information and an image downloaded from over the internet. And while we'll only get a tiny bit of information on each creature after this tutorial, you'll be armed with the skills to build this out with lots more info if you'd like. You'll also learn to download all 1100 plus Pokemon with a single button click, and to show the circular progress indicator when the data is downloaded. You'll also learn to search on your list of creatures so you can find exactly who you're looking for in the list of well over 1,000 that are available. We'll learn a bunch of useful techniques and offer some important tips along the way. Are you prepared to learn skills so cool they'd make Brock open his eyes? Then let's catch 'em all using SwiftUI. Pokemon and related entities are trademarks of the Pokemon Company and Nintendo Corporation. Content for this lesson series is used solely for non-commercial educational purposes.